Hey there, busy professionals. I know the struggle of wanting to eat healthy while juggling a hectic schedule. Today I'm sharing 10 protein-packed meals that you can whip up in under 30 minutes. Trust me, these are game changers. First up, Greek yogurt chicken salad wraps. Simply mix shredded chicken with Greek yogurt instead of mayo. Add some crunchy veggies and wrap it all up. You're looking at 25 grams of protein per serving, and it's perfect for meal prep. Next, start your day strong with an egg white and spinach omelet. Add a side of cottage cheese, and you've got yourself a protein powerhouse breakfast with about 30 grams of protein. The best part, it takes just 10 minutes to make. For lunch or dinner, try this delicious salmon and quinoa bowl. Season your salmon with lemon and herbs. Cook it for 12 minutes and serve it over quinoa with your favorite roasted vegetables. This dish packs a whopping 35 grams of protein. Number 4 is a classic beef and veggie stir-fry. Slice your beef thin, throw in some broccoli, bell peppers, and snap peas, and you've got a restaurant-quality meal in just 15 minutes. Pro tip: keep some pre-cut veggies in your fridge to save time. Here's a unique one: lentil and tuna salad. Mix canned lentils with tuna, cherry tomatoes, and a light vinaigrette. It's packed with protein and fiber, and there's zero cooking involved. For a low-carb option, try turkey and avocado lettuce wraps. Layer turkey, avocado, and your favorite toppings in large lettuce leaves. It's fresh, filling, and ready in minutes. Number 7 is shrimp and zoodles. Perfect for those watching their carbs. Spiralize some zucchini, saute it with garlic and shrimp, and you've got a light yet protein-rich meal in just 15 minutes. Need a quick post-workout meal? Blend up a protein smoothie with whey protein, frozen berries, and oats. It's like drinking a healthy milkshake that's packed with 30 grams of protein. For our plant-based friends, try the tofu and edamame power bowl. Press and cube your tofu. Quickly pan-fry it and serve with edamame, brown rice, and your favorite Asian-inspired sauce. Last but not least, the egg and black bean breakfast burrito. Scramble some eggs with black beans, add cheese and salsa, wrap it up, and you're good to go. Make a batch and freeze them for busy mornings. Remember, eating healthy doesn't have to be time-consuming or complicated. These meals are proof that you can have it all: nutrition, taste, and convenience. Now who's ready to get cooking?